Fake news. Fake news refers to intentionally fabricated news stories or misinformation that is spread through traditional and social media. Fake news can have serious consequences, such as damaging reputations, inciting violence, and undermining democracy. Here are some reasons why fake news is a problem. Misleading the public. Fake news can spread false information, leading to confusion and misinformation among the public. Damaging reputations. Fake news can damage the reputations of individuals, businesses, and organizations, leading to financial and social harm. Undermining democracy. Fake news can be used as a tool to manipulate public opinion and influence elections, threatening the democratic process. Inciting violence. Fake news can fuel hatred and incite violence, leading to real-world harm and social unrest. Eroding trust. Fake news can erode trust in media and institutions, leading to a breakdown of social cohesion and a loss of confidence in democracy. Fake news is a serious problem that can have significant consequences for individuals and society. It is important to be vigilant and critical when consuming news and information. It is your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go. Great job! Please comment, subscribe to our channel.